What would you do if you had $0 but still needed to make money? Most people think it's impossible. But the truth is, it's completely possible. The real problem is not having zero money, it's having zero ideas and zero action. Step 1. Look at what you already have. You have a phone, internet, time, and maybe some skills, that's enough. Step 2. Find a simple service you can offer. For example, editing videos, writing text, helping with social media, or selling products. Step 3. Start with people around you. Friends, classmates, or small businesses, they are your first clients. Step 4. Use social media to find more clients. Post what you do, show results, and explain your value. Step 5. Reinvest your first earnings. Don't spend it. Use it to grow your skills or business. Step 6. Improve your skills every day. The more value you provide, the more money you can earn. Step 7. Stay consistent even when results are slow. Most people quit too early, that's why they fail. If you keep going, $0 can turn into your first income. And that first income can grow into something bigger. You don't need money to start, you need action.